Hey guys, I just want to show you the Oramask when you do overlays. So if, let's say, one piece is not big enough and you just want to add a second piece, like in this case, instead of me covering the whole board, I just cut a couple smaller strips and just kind of put them together. If you look closely here, it works just fine, no issues whatsoever. The bit, as long as it's a new, fairly new sharp bit, mine's about a year old, and I'm still getting nice crisp results. It doesn't tear even when I right here I guess I have a triple, so right about here, that's 3 layers right there, and it had no issues cutting that. Every once in a while you get like these little fuzzies, but what I found is a toothbrush, just kind of go through it and it just tears them out. But it sticks really well. I get the authentic brand. It's a little bit more, not much, but definitely worth the money, and it makes making these layers and stuff much easier. In order to go ahead and paint this as a mask, and then just tear it off, and the only part that gets to paint is inside there. So thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you guys, so in case you were worried about this kind of stuff where you overlay, it doesn't peel up, it sticks very well, and when it peels off, it actually has no issues either. So it almost works kind of like the blue tape, where it sticks really well and then it peels off really well. I had to peel it because this was a different cut. So that's all. Hopefully this was useful to some of you guys, and thanks for watching. I'll throw a link down below if you guys want the authentic brand, not the knockoff. Thanks for watching.